and this is garlic ginger jeera paste. Just make it a paste, and I'm going to add it with in the chicken minced chicken keema there. In the chicken keema you can see in the down there is the chopped onions, and this is a garlic ginger paste. And here I have just make the hot oil and put methi, some little methi, and just make it hot until it becomes black, because we need to pour it into the chicken, okay, while making the chicken keema. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken momos at home. Let's get started. And this is chicken keema. Look, you can see chicken keema. This is just I bought it from the shop. Chicken keema, and then there is chopped onions. Ginger, garlic, and green. And the one is a spring onion. Like a garlic, I don't know what's its name in English. It's called chapi in Nepali. Keema, okay. It's this one we make it the paste. We can add some jeera. Like I'm going to add some jeera in the garlic and ginger paste, and grate it in the mixture. This is green chili. Make it into the small pieces. I just cut it into the small pieces. Coriander. I'm just cutting it for the onion. The tomato paste. Achar, tomato achar. It's a tomato. What's it called? Soup for Momo. Tomato sauce or tomato soup for momo, chicken momo. Hot oil, pour it into the hot oil. Green chilies. You can add chilies as like if you like spicy. And this is the first time I bought it, the canned tomatoes, but it's good. And this chopped tomatoes, I just add it into the hot oil. Green chilies. We put a little bit more salt because this is going to be paste tomato sauce soup. Just put the lid so that it can be cooked fast. Wow, it's cooked now. And then finally I will add the coriander at the top. At last we need to put the coriander just at last after the tomato is cooked. Okay, tomato is ready. I'm going to make it more cool it down for some time because I need to grind it in the mixture. More tomatoes. countries in the house. Alas. This alas is sent by my mom from Nepal. And I'm going to add alas, salt, tomato, and green it in the mixture. So it can be found in like this seed, and you can just green it in the mixture also. Alas means is the flaxseed. Flax, flaxseed. I'm going to make it with the slate. So I'm going to add in the mixture, grinder, and green it. Tomato soup. Particular moment. That's the hairy hand is not mine. That is my husband's hairy hand. My husband's hairy hand. My so nice hand. One, two, three, go! Go. I forgot to turn on the. Look my reaction, guys. Because he's disturbing me. I'm getting angry with him. Because I forgot to switch on. Switch on the grinder and he's just teaching me. And again he again teaches me. You have to do like this, like this. Oh my God. Don't teach your father how to
cook.
How to cook. Okay, the tomato sauce. Tomato soup is ready. Here we go. Oh my God, it's gonna be tasty. Nice, tasty. Wow. Wow. And I'm just going to make it cocoa. Here comes for the keema. I'm adding some salt. Just you need to add only the salt and some spices, some masala, meat masala. You can add some meat masala, spring onions. This masala spices is sent by my mom from Nepal. And the hot methi oil. You need to pour it in the keema. It's like this. It gives taste for keema. And then after pouring the hot oil, at last you need to put coriander, spring onions. Okay. Then you need to mix it. Sorry guys, I have not put the hand gloves, but we didn't record, but I have washed my hands with the hand wash just before I just make it keema. Next next time I'll try to use the hand gloves. Okay. It looks nice color. Okay, now the keema is also ready to make chicken momo. This is chicken keema. You can just go to the meat shop and ask for chicken keema. This is half kg chicken keema. Now it's ready. Chicken keema is ready to make momos. On the flour I have used this plain flour. You can use maida flour or the plain flour. Don't use wheat flour. Don't use the wheat flour. Use this or maida flour. My husband made the flour dough 30 minutes ago, and I'm going to make the small pieces of flour dough for making momos. Actually guys, I have never tried making the dough because my husband is there and he helps me to do, so I never make dough myself. I just make the momos, prepare everything, and he makes dough for me. Look how fast I make the momos. This is my talent, guys. I'm showing how to make it. Yeah, it's ready. The small pieces of dough, put 1 spoon of keema and then fold it slowly. Momos, Nepali style chicken momo. In Nepali it is called kothe momo. Before you put the momos in the steamer, you need to add some oil so that the momos won't stick in the steamer. Look how fast I make momos. I'm a talented person in making momos. Oh, he showed his face. Yes, this is my husband, guys. He's helping me to make the videos. While making momos, his work is just to make the dough and just to say me do this, do this and that. Everything is done by me, guys. Yeah, he helps me, but I don't want to get help from him.
Don't listen to her.
Look. Look how he is helping me. Oh, my helpful husband. What he is doing actually? Oh, I just remember he's just making some curry for him to take in the work for tomorrow. For himself. Just for himself he is making curry. Because I'm just going to eat the momos. I have finished the